Today, we're diving into an exciting topic for all you urban gardeners and small space dwellers out there. What are the best plants for a small space garden? Whether you have a tiny backyard, a balcony, or just a windowsill to work with, don't worry. We've got you covered with some fantastic plant recommendations. First up, let's talk succulents. These little guys are perfect for small spaces due to their minimal water needs and compact size. Plus, they come in an array of shapes, sizes, and colors, so you can get really creative with your arrangements. Next, consider herbs. Not only do they take up minimal space, but they also bring the added bonus of being edible. Herbs like basil, cilantro, parsley, and mint can thrive in small containers, providing you with fresh flavors for your cooking right at your fingertips. For those looking to add a bit of color to their small gardens, flowering plants like marigolds, petunias, and pansies are great options. These can be grown in containers or hanging baskets, adding a pop of color without requiring a lot of space. Don't overlook vegetables just because you're limited on space. Many veggies, including tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens like spinach and lettuce, can be grown in containers. Opt for dwarf or bush varieties specifically designed for small spaces. Vertical gardening is another fantastic way to maximize your limited space. Plants like ivy, climbing roses, or even certain types of vegetables like cucumbers and beans can be trained to grow upwards with the help of trellises or supports, essentially allowing you to garden in 3 dimensions. Finally, for those looking to add a touch of greenery with minimal effort, air plants can be a unique choice. They don't require soil to grow, just occasional watering and some indirect sunlight, making them perfect for hanging terrariums or mounted on walls. In conclusion, just because your garden space is small, it doesn't mean your gardening dreams have to be. With the right plant choices, you can create a lush, vibrant garden that fits perfectly into your small space. Remember to consider how much light your space gets, the climate you're in, and how much time you can dedicate to your garden when choosing your plants. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide inspires you to start your own small space garden and make the most of what you've got. Happy gardening!